Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. BBSM unhappy with government's decision on medium of instruction, demands rollback of the decision, warns of an agitation without finalizing date of agitation or next meeting. Goa government to form separate and exclusive cadre for all India service officers. Chief Minister says Union government still treats Goa as Union territory. Police suspect 2 locals in rape and murder case at Kankon. Forensic clues found. 50,000 rupees reward for a person giving lead of the accused. NGT takes strong cognizance of illegal sand extraction in Goa, issues order to control and curb the illegalities. And 15-year-old girl dies on spot in tragic accident at Kautali. Petroleum tanker crushes SSC student on a bike. Girl was riding bike without a license. And now the news in detail. Bhartiya Basha Suraksha Manch is unhappy with government's decision on medium of instruction policy. Members of BBSM said government should change its decision. BBSM has warned of an agitation if decision on MOI is not rolled back. However, they have not decided the dates for the agitation. BBSM leaders held a meet on Wednesday, 15 days after the CM announced government's decision on medium of instruction.
परदेशी भाषेंतल्या प्राथमिक शिक्षणाक अनुदान दिवपाचें पळय सरकारी धोरण आसा ताका आमचो खर विरोध आसा. कारण ह्याच मुद्द्याचेर भारतीय भाषा सुरक्षा मंच स्थापन जाल्लो आनीक तेन्ना तत्व म्हणून प्राथमिक शिक्षण हें मायभाशेंतल्यानच आसचें आनी जें शिक्षण मातृभाशेंत ना किंवा परदेशी भाशेंत आसा ताका सरकारान अनुदान निखालस दिवचें न्हय ही भारतीय भाषा सुरक्षा मंचाची भूमिका जी आजूय कायम आसा. आनी म्हणून त्या भूमिकेच्या संदर्भात सरकारान जो सध्या निर्णय घेतला ताका भारतीय सुरक्षा मंचाचो खर विरोध आसा. आनीक हो विरोध आमी सरकाराक वेगळे वेगळे तरांनी दाखोवन दितले आनीक सरकारान हें धोरण बदलचें असो प्रयत्न करतले. आनीक इतलें करून जर सरकारान तेंच धोरण चलोवपाचो हट्ट धरलो जाल्यार मागीर फुडें कसलें पावल मारचें ह्या विशीं आमी परत मेळून निर्णय घेतले.
आंदोलन हे परत भाशे खातीर जावं शकता.
अवलंबून उरता परिस्थितीचेर. जर आमी सांगतात तें सरकारान मान्य केलें जाल्यार घडये आंदोलन करपाची गरज पडची ना. पूण सरकारान जर मान्य केलें ना तर मागीर भारतीय सुरक्षा मंचाक कितेंय तरी निर्णय घेवचो पडटलो कितें फुडें करचें तें.
कशें आसता एकंदरीत की सरकाराची भूमिका ही इलेक्शना पयलीं दुसरी आसता आनी इलेक्शन जातकीच दुसरी जाता. आतां लोकसभा इलेक्शनां सो ताच्या पयलीं तुमी कितें करतले?
ताजे पयलींच आमी मेळटले. ताजे पयलींच आमी सरकाराक आमचो विरोध दाखोवन दितले आनीक सरकार कशें वागता ताजेर आमची भूमिका अवलंबून उरतली. पूण आमी हो विरोध सरकाराक कळयतले आनी जाहीर रितीनूय आमी हो विरोध दाखयतले.
आंदोलन लोक
हाका आनी इलेक्शना कांय संबंद ना आमकां. आमचे दृश्टीन निर्णय घेतल्यानी खंयच्याय हेतून घेतलो आसूं पूण आमकां इलेक्शन आशिल्लें कितें किंवा नाशिल्लें कितें कांय फरक पडचो नाशिल्लो. आमचो तात्वीक विरोध ह्या धोरणाक.
सगळ्या मेंबरांनी आज आशिल्ल्या सगळ्या मेंबरांनी गव्हर्मेंटाच्या डिसिजनाक विरोध केल्लो आसा काय थोडे सपोर्ट
मान या ना म्हूण सांगलां. आतां वेगवेगळे तरेन विरोध सगल्यांचो सामको आसा. दुसऱ्यांचो मातसो निवलोलो कसो आसत तें वेगळें पूण हे सगल्यांक मान येना तो.
थोडे मातशे
हांव तशें कांय म्हणना तुका पूण
विरोधच त्या फोर्सान जायना.
हय.
Cabinet has decided to form a separate and exclusive cadre of All India Service Officers. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar informed this to media after Cabinet meeting on Wednesday. He says Centre is behaving like God and some Tom, Dick and Harry decides who will be posted in the state. Parrikar also said that Union government still treats Goa as Union territory. He has also said that work order of Kalangut garbage treatment plant will be out by 15 February.
The Council of Ministers resolved to have a separate and exclusive cadre of all India services offices for the state of Goa by delinking the same from existing joint AGMUT cadre. It is further resolved to request Government of India to forthwith take steps for formation of separate IAS cadre for Goa state, including determining the strength and composition of the cadre in consultation with Government of Goa. आम्ही गेल्या वर्षभर सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाक आग्रह करीत आसा की जॉइंट कॅडर मॅनेजमेंट ऑथॉरिटीची मिटींग आपय म्हणून. सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट इज लिस्ट बॉदर्ड अबाउट इट, बिहेव्ज एज फ्युडल लॉर्ड. गोंय हे स्टेट जाल्लें आं, युनियन टेरिटरी ना, त्यामुळे आमचे कॅडर वेगळें करप असो आज युनेनिमस डिसिजन ओवरवेलमींग फिलिंगा सकट कॅबिनेटान आयज घेतलेलो आहा. So accordingly, there will be proposal sent to central government. See, even if the government is favorable, still cadre formation is a big exercise. So it may take 1 year to happen. Goa cadre, जशें महाराष्ट्र cadre, अशें गोवा cadre. ताका भितर 1/3 भितर लोकल ऑफिसरांक प्रमोशन मेळटा, प्रोमोटिव्ह ऑफिसर. चेतन पंडीत, मेंबर सेंट्रल वॉटर कमिशन, रिटायर्ड तो, आतां रिटायर जालो. ताका टॅक्निकल कन्सल्टंट म्हणून कॅबिनेटान म्हादयच्या इश्यूचेर जे कितें ताका अपॉयंट केल्लो आमी, ताका पोस्ट फॅक्टो एप्रुवल दिला. ही वील गिव द टॅक्निकल पॅरामिटर्स फॉर सबमिशन एंड ऑल्सो आर्ग्युमेंट. कळंगूट हांगा आमी 1,38,000 जागो घेवपाक हें केल्लें. कळंगूट कम्युनिदाद हॅड गिवन इट्स सपोर्ट, म्हणजे they did not create unnecessary hurdle. आणि फक्त तांच्यांनी इतलोच रिक्वेस्ट केल्लो की 1,48,000 जागो जो घेता तो तुमकां गरज आहा इतलोच घेया. सो सिन्स दे हॅव कॉपरेटेड विथ द गव्हर्मेंट, वी डिसायडेड टू अलाव दॅट एक्स्ट्रा लँड वीच इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड टू बी हँडेड बॅक टू देम. सो आज कॅबिनेटान डिसिजन घेवन उरलेलो जमीन ताब्यान घेवपाचो असो निर्णय घेतलेलो. हाजो अर्थ अरावंड 10th or 12th बिफोर 15th पॉझिटिव्हली द गार्बेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांटाची work order will be issued for Kalangut. We are waiting for Kakoda, that also will follow. So if I give the work order before 15 February, I should be ready by December 2014.
Two locals are on the radar of investigating agency in the Kankon rape and murder case, but police is trying to gather supporting evidences. Some forensic clues have been found from the scene of crime which can be proved vital for a match with the accused. Meanwhile, Goa police has announced a reward of 50,000 rupees for person giving lead in this case. Last rites on the victim will be performed on Thursday. Investigating team of crime branch is suspecting involvement of two locals in Vijayapagi rape and murder case. However, no substantial evidences have been found yet. According to sources, investigating team has found some forensic evidence from the scene of crime which has been sent for forensic analysis. Goa police on Wednesday announced a reward of 50,000 rupees for person giving lead in this case. Last rites of the victim Vijaya will be performed on Thursday as her husband is now ready to take her body. Kankon people have called off proposed Kankon Bandh on Thursday, but local fish market will remain closed in the late afternoon in respect of a departed soul. Reporters Mukesh Kumar and Babesh Porkar for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.